Okay, so I wanted to come on and do a what's in my bag featuring Bottega Veneta's Andiamo clutch. Loving this color, perfect for the spring. But let me show you what fits. Of course, I have to have my wallet, my cell phone, hand sanitizer because we're probably going to go out to eat later, lip gloss, perfect, Forever Mood travel size fragrance, and my Chanel compact. And that's it. There are also card holders if you wanted to use that instead of the wallet. But I think it's a great evening bag. It carries a lot. Let me know what you think.